Okay, this is problem 26 from chapter 4, CFIN7. It's it's an EAR effective annual rate calculation. There's no APR to calculate because it's actually given here. So, Yolanda's bank advertises a savings investment that pays 6% compounded monthly. That is actually the APR, 6%. And banks are required by law to quote the APR and on both loans and investments. So what is the investment's annual percentage rate? So that's, let's do this. I'm going to format them as percent. So percent. I just formatted the sales as percent. So the 6%. So it's just 6% is the APR. There's no calculation to do. Though, since we have monthly compounding rules and we calculate the EAR, we've got 1 plus, our EAR is 1 plus the APR, divided by the number of compounding periods. In this case, it's 12, and then we take it to the 12th power. So, equals 1 plus the 6%. We divide that by 12, and we'll close paren. Now I use my caret, and I take it to the 12th power, and I subtract 1. And then 6.17% is the effective annual rate.